In this video, I want to talk about Maven Multimodule configuration. Maven Multimodule configuration. So let's start with the parent POM. The parent POM, if we have a parent in our parent POM, then we define in our example the Spring framework starter parent, and we have our artifact definition, what is also necessary, and some Java version definition and source encoding. After then we can insert our module definition. Module definition is the directory and the POM location in the directory. For example, lambda, then we have here a lambda POM. This is not really necessary to write here the POM. I don't know why I wrote there the POM. It must be just the directory. So after that we have our already known dependencies. We include here all dependencies what we in all the libraries, all the components, the modules want to use. So we not define in the module itself again the same dependency. Plugin definition also, for example the compiler, which version we use, and so on. In our module definition, for example lambda POM, we can see here the smallest Maven configuration. The smallest Maven configuration is simply a group artifact version. If we not have a parent, then it's simply the tree line. Everything else is possible but not a must. For example, developer, project description, and so on. So if we have more than one directory, then we just follow the directories, as we can see here, and we can see in the POM also that is just directory. If you use Windows or Linux, it's unimportant. In the POM you can write just / you're not necessary to change to \. Okay, it's what we should also know about multi-module configuration, that the relative POM what we will use in our project is something that is built together from the M2 directory settings XML, and also from the Apache Maven configuration, the settings XML, if we already using this, but generally I'm not using. The M2 settings XML I'm using if I have local Nexus repository for releases or whatever, snapshots and so on. And in our relative POM we will have all the dependencies what we have here in the starter parent POM. Let's have a look over our Maven effective POM. So you can see here that the effective POM is a little bit long. It's 8,000 line long, and you can see here the licenses and developer and whatever, everything, properties, all the property files what we have in our parent from the Spring boot starter parent included. So to execute a multi-module configuration in a parallel manner, generally if we start today the Maven, then we use all the dependencies in multi-threading capable. So it's not necessary to set some versions in our POMs and in our plugins. So if we start then clean package, then we can see that running everything a little bit more than parallel, compiling all three projects, and then the end is finished. If we have here a project with dependencies, but only in the project we use, then we can just enter the dependencies here. Is also possible, and we have to define the relative POM where our parent POM existing. So that's all. Thank you.